Hi everyone, welcome to Concepts Hub. Hope you all are doing well. Let's start. In which of the following year NITI Aayog was formed? And the options are 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017. So in which year NITI Aayog was formed? Answer is 2015, and it is not a constitutional body. This is also very important. Not a constitutional body. NITI Aayog is not a constitutional body. Okay, it has replaced what? Planning Commission. We'll see what is the full form of NITI Aayog. NITI Aayog stands for National Institution for Transforming India, and it has replaced Planning Commission of India. And who is the chairman of NITI Aayog? Prime Minister currently. Prime Minister Modi is the chairman of NITI Aayog, and vice chairman, current vice chairman is Suman Berry. Next. In which of the following year Planning Commission was established? And the options are 1950, 1951, 1955, 1960. So which year, in which of the following year Planning Commission was established? And the answer is 1950. So Planning Commission regulated all this 5-year plans. So from 1950 to 2014. Okay. So all the 5-year plans till 2014, how many 5-year plans were formulated? 12 5-year plans were formulated, and it has been replaced with what? NITI Aayog. Is this clear? Next. Who among the following appoints the Election Commissioner of India? And the options are President, Vice President, Prime Minister, Supreme Court Judge. So who among the following appoints the Election Commissioner of India? And the answer is President. The State Election Commissioner is appointed by Governor of State. Chief Election Commissioner of India appointed by President, and State Election Commissioner was appointed by Governor of State. So total we have 3 election commissioners. One is Chief Election Commissioner. The present Chief Election Commissioner is Rajiv Kumar. Election Commissioner Anup Chandra Pandey, and one more Election Commissioner is Arun Goyal. So Election Commissioner, how many Election Commissioners we have? 3, and one of them is Chief Election Commissioner, and other 2 are Election Commissioner. Clear? Which of the following dance is associated with state of Kerala? And the options are Kuchipudi, Kathak, Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam. So which of the following dance is associated with Kerala? And the answer is Mohiniyattam. Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi dance is associated to Andhra Pradesh. Kathak, Uttar Pradesh. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu. Mohiniyattam, Kerala. And Mohiniyattam is mentioned in the ancient text of Vyavahara Mala. Vyavahar Mala. And it is accompanied by which music? Carnatic music. So these 3 are very important from the exam point of view. One is state, which is associated to this. Next, in which text it has been mentioned, and it is accompanied by which music. Kuchipudi is also Carnatic music. Carnatic music. Clear? Next. So the god, okay, Mohiniyattam dance is associated with which Hindu god? Yes, Vishnu. Okay, which god? Vishnu. Next, in which element group of the periodic table are fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine included? And the options: lanthanides, actinides, halogens, chalcogens. So, in which element group of the periodic table fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine are included? The answer is halogens, and these are non-metals. Chlorine, fluorine, bromine are non-metals. Next, a Supreme Court or High Court judges can be removed by the Parliament by options: two-third majority, simple majority, special majority, both simple and two-third majority. Supreme Court or High Court judge can be removed by Parliament. The answer is by special majority. The judges of Supreme Court, judges of Supreme Court and High Court are appointed by President. This is also very important from the exam point of view. The judges of Supreme Court and High Court are appointed by whom? President of India. And Supreme Court or High Court judges can be removed by Parliament by special majority. Special majority. Next, the famous musician Ustad Sultan Khan is associated with which musical instrument? And the options are flute, sarangi, drums, tabla. So, Ustad Sultan Khan is associated with which musical instrument? Answer is sarangi. Remember here, Ustad Sultan Khan is associated with sarangi musical instrument. Pandit Ravi Shankar is associated with sitar musical instrument, and Zakir Hussain is associated with tabla. Once more, Ustad Sultan Khan is associated with sarangi, Pandit Ravi Shankar associated with sitar, Zakir Hussain associated with tabla. Next, Rongali Bihu is a major festival of which of the following Indian state? And the options are Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Assam. So, Rongali Bihu is a major festival of which state? Answer is Assam. So, it is celebrated in the month of what? April. This was asked in one of the exams. Remember here, one thing is state, and one more thing, any importance. Okay, importance of this festival, in which month or season it is celebrated, for how many days it is celebrated, if any specification is there, how many days it is celebrated. This is also important. And if there is any inspiration, okay, if particular festival is related to God, okay, God is also important. Is this clear? Next, Lavani is a folk dance of which of the following Indian state? And the options are Odisha, Maharashtra, Assam, Jharkhand. Lavani is a folk dance of which of the following Indian state? The answer is Maharashtra. Lavani is a folk dance associated to Maharashtra. It is performed to the beats of dolki. Is this clear? Next, Onam festival is celebrated in which of the following Indian state? And the options are Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala. Onam festival, I think most of you might know, Onam festival is celebrated in which Indian state? The answer is Kerala. So it is celebrated in the month of August to September. August, September. As I said, month and day, okay, month is also important. Nowadays, they are asking the month in which this festival is celebrated. What are the other festivals celebrated in the Kerala state? Is Vishu, Thrissur Puram, Tiyam, Atukal Pongala, Makra Vilakku, Arattu. These are the other festivals which are celebrated in the Kerala state. Clear? Month, state, and if any god is associated to this particular festival is also important from the exam point of view. Next. According to the census 2011, which state has the highest population growth rate? And the options: Kerala, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Meghalaya. So which state has the highest population growth rate? Growth rate according to the census 2011. The answer is Meghalaya. Next. According to the census 2011, which state has the largest scheduled tribe, that is ST's population in India? And the options are Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. So which state has the largest scheduled tribe population in India? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. And what is the percentage to the population? 8.6 percentage of the total population. And what is the population? 10.42, approximately 10.42 crore ST population according to the census 2011. Is this clear? Next. Which state has launched the Kanti Velugu scheme? And the options are Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka. Which state has launched this Kanti Velugu scheme? It is related to eye. And the answer is Telangana. Telangana state has launched the Kanti Velugu scheme, which is related to eye. Next. The other schemes associated with Telangana are Raitu Bandhu, Kalyana Lakshmi, Shadi Mubarak. See, Kalyan Lakshmi and Shadi Mubarak are related to marriage. Raitu Bandhu, farmers. Okay. Asara pension scheme. Raitu Bima, insurance. And Dalit Bandhu, it is related to SC. So in Raitu Bandhu, okay, each individual will get a 10 lakh rupees. Next. Which state government has launched one district, one sport scheme? And the options are Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. Which state has launched one district, one sport scheme? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next. Which of the following element is a metalloid? And the options are sodium, silicon, chlorine, magnesium. So which of the following element is a metalloid? The answer is silicon. Sodium is what? Metal. Chlorine, fluorine, halogens, just now we saw it, non-metal. Other metalloids we'll see: boron, germanium, tellurium, antimony, arsenic, astatine. These are the metalloids. Next. Brass is an alloy of options: iron and zinc, iron and lead, copper and lead, copper and zinc. Brass is an alloy of what? Copper and zinc. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Look at here, brass and bronze. In brass and bronze alloy, copper is common. Copper is common in brass and bronze. Okay. In brass, zinc is there. In bronze, tin is there. Next. Twinkling of stars is mainly due to which phenomenon? Options: refraction, reflection, diffraction, interference. So twinkling of star is mainly due to which phenomenon? The answer is refraction. Refraction is nothing but bending of light. bending of light. And this refraction principle will use in where? Lens. Reflection, bouncing back of light. Where we will use this phenomena of reflection? Mirror. Is this clear? Next. Mirror used by dentist to see large images of teeth of patient is. And the options are plane mirror, concave mirror, convex mirror, transparent mirror. Mirror used by dentist to see large images of teeth of a patient. The answer is concave mirror. Concave mirror. The other name for concave mirror is converging mirror. Converging mirror. Okay. And we know that if the object is placed at infinity, in front of a concave mirror, where the image forms, it forms at focus. This is focus if it is, okay, center of curvature. If it is at infinity, if the object is at infinity, the image it forms is at a focus, which is very highly diminished. And if it is at a center, it also forms at the center. Image is also forms at the center, but real and inverted. And if the object is in between focus and pole, where it forms? On the other side. And in that case, it is virtual and direct. Remember, converging mirror and which type of images it forms. Okay. So where we use this concave mirror? Okay, it is used in shaving mirror, solar furnaces, headlight and torch. Solar furnaces, why? Converging, right? Converging. So what happens? If the mirror is converging, it will all concentrate at one point. Okay, clear. Next. Which part of the constitution is known as Magna Carta of India? Options: part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. Which part of the constitution is known as, okay, Magna Carta? Answer is part 3. Next. Unguarded and Autobiography is an autobiography of which of the following sports person? Options: Mary Kom, Mithali Raj, MS Dhoni, Yuvraj Singh. Unguarded and Autobiography is an autobiography of which sports person? The answer is Mithali Raj. Mithali Raj. Unbreakable is an autobiography of Mary Kom. The Test of My Life is an autobiography of Yuvraj Singh. Once again, I will repeat here. Unguarded and autobiography, Mithali Raj. Unbreakable, Mary Kom. And Test of My Life, Yuvraj Singh. Next. The objective of removal of poverty and attainment of self-reliance was associated with the dash 5-year plan. Options: second, fourth, fifth, and seventh. So the object of removal of poverty and attainment of what? Self-reliance is associated with which 5-year plan? The answer is fifth 5-year plan. It is fifth 5-year plan. In second 5-year plan, okay, the focus was on industrialization and public affairs. Okay, public sector. Main is rapid industrialization was the focus in the second 5-year plan. First was agriculture. Clear? Next. The Blue Umbrella is written by whom among the following authors? Options: Kiran Desai, Sudha Murthy, R.K. Narayan, Ruskin Bond. Blue Umbrella. The Blue Umbrella is written by which author? The answer is Ruskin Bond. And he has received a Sahitya Academy Award in the year 1992. Clear? Next, Padma Shri in the year 1999 and Padma Bhushan in the year 2014. So, awards they received and in which year they received. This is also very important from the exam point of view. The term follow on is used in which of the following games or sports? Options: cricket, badminton, football, hockey. So this follow on term is associated with which games or sports? The answer is cricket. I think most of you know this follow on. The other terms related to cricket is slip, mid off, mid on, gully, cover, extra cover, fine leg, square leg, long off, LBW, stump, innings. Okay, these are all associated with what? Cricket. Clear? Next. Goiter is caused due to lack of which hormone in the body? Options: adrenaline, estrogen, testosterone, thyroxine. This goiter is caused due to lack of which hormone in the body? The answer is thyroxine. And this goiter is caused due to deficiency of what? Iodine. If they ask you hormone, it is thyroxine hormone. And if they ask you deficiency of what? Iodine. Clear? Next. Which of the following disease cannot be prevented by vaccination? And the options are typhoid, beriberi, rabies, okay, and measles. Which of the following disease cannot be prevented by vaccination? The answer is beriberi. And this beriberi deficiency is of thiamine. Is caused beriberi disease is caused due to deficiency of what? Thiamine. The other name for thiamine is vitamin B1. Clear? Vitamin B1 or thiamine both are same. So this beriberi disease is caused due to what? Deficiency of thiamine. I think we are done with 25 questions. All the best. Thank you.